Good morning. Today is Wednesday, December 9th. Reminder that it is Wednesday, so there are no live meetings today. You will find that we'll just have open office hours from 9 o'clock to 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. I'm going to just remind you that all of the trimester 2 courses in Schoology are now Tri 2 and they're the color blue. So I'm going to show you really quickly. Notice how you should see that all of your labeled courses are blue instead of red like trimester 1. Let's go over the daily planner. For language arts today, you are going to continue to work on Cold Transformation Project and the theme summary. I'm going to show you one more time where to find that, because reminder that that is in the summative folder. So you're going to go to language arts. Don't forget to language arts try 2 for this one. And that's in the red summative assessment folder. And then just a reminder that you need to watch this link here first where it says teacher directions. Watch me first before you start into the project. Next, for math, we're going to continue just working on day 2 on our 3.11 homework. I put a couple links for videos that you might want to just look at for a quick review from yesterday. One is on the giant 1, and then the other one is on equivalent fractions. And then lastly, reminder, we're not doing social studies this week, so lastly it is science, and we have a fun bottle flipping science experiment to look at today, and if you want to give it a try, that's completely optional and up to you. First thing you're going to want to do is watch this science behind water bottle flip, and then you're going to do the bottle flipping assignment, and that's in, go back here to Schoology. We're going to want to go to our science course, and you're going to see it in the daily work folder under bottle flipping science experiment. Again, if you have any questions today, reminder that you can come join me in my office hours, and I will be there from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Have a great day.